Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and I'm here at Aldi to look at all their new finds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, so today is going to be a great day, guys. Starting with Aldi's gear. They have the beanies for $3.99. Oh my goodness. They are already here. They have the stainless steel mug, traveling mug for $7. I like this one with Aldi name all around it. Yes, beautiful. Okay, they also have the sweatshirt. Yes, it has a drawstring, kangaroo pocket, and rib cuffs. Yes, I love these. They're only $12.99, guys, and they come in size small through extra large. They come in this light blue, navy blue, and white. You know, all these colors. And the ladies Aldi gear pajamas. Only $9.99, guys, for a two-piece. Can't believe this. Beautiful patterns. They only go up to a large, guys. They have them here, so beautiful. And the Aldi backpacks. They are $10. Let's try to round it up. The canvas slip-ons for $9. They have the white. And then they have the blue. Aren't those cute? Oh, love those. Okay, moving on to the vinyl tablecloths. They're $3.49. So I only see the oblong, guys, and the oblong is 60 by 84 in the vinyl tablecloths. This is a side table, and it is wonderful, guys. Look at the legs. Oh, that natural wood leg is so nice, and it is only $39.99. Oh yes, love this. It is a 23 by 15 by 20. Okay, kids table and stools. How cute. Oh my goodness. And this little set is $39.99. The digital air fryer 4.2 quart size is $40. The 20 cup rice cooker and steamer, it is $20. This steamer, it comes in black and it comes in white, and it also includes these items right here: the basket, the measuring cup, and a spoon. $19.99. This recipe stand is $20, and I love it. Yes, $20 on that. The acorn candles, they are $5. $5, guys. Okay, so I see smoked pecan and maple, wild fern and birch, and also they have the double layered candles for $6. So this one says autumn leaves cozy sweater. Let's see what this one smells like. That smells pretty good. It's not harsh at all, but it's pretty light. I like that. Okay, the 20-ounce soup mug is $3.99. It comes in white, brown, blue, and green. I love the pattern. Acacia serving bowls, they're $9.99. Really, really deep, guys. You can use this for whatever. This one, they're displaying fruit in this one. So yeah, really nice. I'm not sure if it comes in more than one color, but I only see black. The single serve coffee maker is $37.99. It is a 2-in-1 brew ground coffee or K-cup pods. Yes. Oh, right here is a cast iron bread oven. This is new. I've never seen this here at Aldi. It is $24.99. Isn't this nice, guys? Okay, the 6-quart size cast iron Dutch oven is $27. It comes in this green and cream. It's a 2-quart cast iron mini Dutch oven for $17. Oh yes. 4-quart porcelain enamel stock pot for $20. Also in those beautiful colors. Moving on to the wine racks for $14.99. So we have options. We have this one, which is beautiful. You know, that would be my favorite. And then they have this one, all wood. And it is heavy. Woo. It's the 20-piece meal prep containers for $5. They always have these here, guys. I bought these and I've not used mine yet. But yes, they're always here for $5. Moving on to the mini cast iron cookware. That is only $5. They have the griddle, mini casserole dish, and the mini fry pan. $5. Oh my goodness. What a steal. The ceramic pasta bowl for $5. Yes, they have different designs and different colors. Yes, so they have this one. It has the black, that one, and that one. Yes. So let's see. This is really pretty right here. Alrighty, Harvest serving platters. They're $10. So they have this one. Then they have the ones in the leaf shape. Oh, and a pumpkin. Nice. Okay, oven liners or two-piece oven rack guards for $5. So this is the guard right here, which would be on the oven, and the oven liner, which is the black. The bamboo utensils only $4. And they are huge, guys. They are huge, they are thick, not too heavy, but heavy enough. Yes, and the handles are different. This is the natural handle. Then they have them dipped in the green and the blue. Nice little touch there. The decorative wall shelves, they're $15. They have this one made like the sun. Let's see. We have this one like the clouds. And I'm sure there may be more behind this one. Okay, now this is the Harvest chopping block for $10. Oh my goodness. Love these. So nice. That one. And then have this one. Kids bedroom lamps for $30. How cute are these? Go really nice with that table I just showed you guys. Okay, they have the twin sheet sets and the full sheet sets for $10. They have 1, pattern 2, 3, and this, yes, so far I think it's like 3 different patterns. Okay, this 4-pack LED light bulbs, they're $3.99. It's 60 watts. Animals humidifiers, and they are $29.99. This one is the elephant humidifier and the fox humidifier for $30. The peg board is $15. Right here. Not a bad deal. We have the shelves to go with it. 2 shelves. The basket. Yes. It all comes with this pegboard. And the children's tail blanket for $10. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. They have that one. Let's see. Oh yes, this one. Really, really cute. And they feel really soft. Really soft. Okay. This heart, cloud, or moon mirror for $19.99. Okay. These animal baskets, they are $19.99. Oh, so cute. Look at that. Oh, love these. Literacy program. These books are only $2.99, guys. You know I can't pass this up. So they have this one. It says, like you, like me. Freedom Fighters, what we need in action. The Lion's King, they have this one in Spanish. It says factors and multiples. Yes, and then they also have these smaller ones. This one says The Little Piggy, Jackie Robinson, Rosa Parks. This one, another one in Spanish right here. So nice. The rope baskets, $7.99. They have this one. Shark. We have this one. Yes. Reasonable price, guys. Very reasonable. So the kids' poofs are $19.99. They have this one. Okay, so here are all of the character poofs. The wooden play food set, they're only $10. They have this one is the salad set. How cute. This one is the sandwich set. Oh my goodness. This is the pizza set. Okay, so the pizza set comes with 39 pieces. The salad set comes with 33 pieces, and the sandwich set comes with 29 pieces. Great, great item. Puzzle books, $5. My first puzzle books, and here are all of the different characters, guys. $4.99. And moving on to the Compound Kings slime for $5. So this one is Goofy, peanut butter scented Goopy, mermaid dots, butter clouds, and jasmine jelly. These are just too cute. Cotton cloud, butter, avalanche. Okay. Mag towels for $15. There are 40 pieces in each. So it's this one and then this one. Pop-up playhouse for $15. We have this one in the green, the jungle. This one is the spaceship. Polka dot. Food truck. And the unicorn. Oh my goodness. Great, great finds here today at Aldi, guys. They're only $15. Oh yes, love those. Okay, Aldi also have the 5-inch olive tree for $6. Yes. They also have these Bub Box assorted varieties for $6. Oh yes, all of my gardenistas out there, $6. Yes. Ultra soft area rugs are new or not, but they are here for $50, and it is a 5.3 by 7. And they have all of these beautiful patterns. Yes. All right, friends, so it's time for me to do my walk back to let you guys know what my picks are for this week. And my picks are going to be the animal baskets for $20. Love those. The kids' bedroom lamps for $30. Love those. The Harvest chopping block, $10. The cast iron mini cookware for $5. And all of the cast iron Dutch oven, bread oven, yes, and the stock pot. Love these. The recipe stand for $20. Yes. Yes, yes, and yes on these. And those are my picks for today. I have more videos that I'm sure you guys will enjoy. I will leave the link down below, guys, and I hope you all enjoy them. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.